Hey everyone, my name's Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to make meatloaf. This is a really easy recipe to throw together, and instead of peppers, dill pickles. Yes, stick with me here. Okay, first of all, what we need is about 2 pounds of lean ground beef, and we're going to put in about a half a cup of chopped, I use the hamburger deals, and I just chop those up. We're going to get 1 onion. You may want to use a half an onion, and that's fine too. Then we're going to put in an egg that's been beaten. And I usually get 2 handfuls of Quaker oats. They're the minute oats. And put that on top. That'll help bind it together. And then our last ingredient is ketchup. And I'm going to put this in the meatloaf. Just squirt a good little amount there. And then I use my fingers, my hands, not my fingers, my hands. And you just mix this up. And I turn my bowl as I do that. And do that until it's well blended. After we get it all blended, then we're going to transfer it into a 9 by 13 baking dish that's been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. And just spread that out in your pan. I don't like it being real thick. I like a thinner meatloaf. It cooks pretty quick too. And that's spread out. Next, we're going to spread more ketchup on the top of it. I like lots of ketchup. And then just take the back of a spoon and even that out. If you want to put a little more ketchup, that's fine. And we're going to put this in an oven that has been preheated to 425 degrees. And we're going to leave it in there for about 45 minutes to about 55 minutes, something like that, depending on how your oven cooks. And we'll see you in a minute or two. After 45 minutes in a 425 degree oven, our meatloaf is finished. Just make sure it's not pink in the center before you take it out. And our meatloaf is ready to serve. I've fixed some mashed potatoes and some peas to go with it, and it smells amazing, it looks amazing. One thing I like to do, a couple tips, if you want to put slices of bacon on top of this when you bake it, that makes it yummy. Another thing, I like to put extra ketchup on it after I get it in my plate. Like I said, I love ketchup. But if you've enjoyed this video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.